How common are hernia meshes? Hernia meshes are used in about 90% of hernia repair surgeries in the United States. Hernia meshes have become a common method for repairing hernias due to their effectiveness and potential benefits. These meshes provide additional support to the weakened or damaged tissue, reducing the risk of reoccurrence. However, there have been cases where hernia meshes have caused complications and adverse effects. Looking for legal assistance for hernia mesh complications? The attorneys at Stamps & Stamps have been protecting the legal interest of the people of Dayton, Ohio for over 50 years. When tragedy strikes, we provide the legal support you and your family need to protect your rights, your home, and your future. Find more information by visiting our website at www.stampslawoffices.com. We look forward to helping you